Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy you're here today.
Today's topic is talk about your habits.
Yes, we will talk about daily habits, simple habits, easy English.
You can listen, repeat, and practice speaking with us.
If you enjoy this podcast, please like and subscribe. It really helps us.
Okay, let's start learning together.
What is a habit? Ronald, first question. What is a habit?
Good question. A habit is something you do again and again.
Yes, a habit is something you do every day or often.
For example, I drink water every morning. That is my habit.
Nice. My habit is reading before sleep.
Listeners, repeat after me. A habit is something I do every day.
Great job. Morning habits.
Stephanie, what do you do first in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth.
Very good. I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink a glass of water.
Listeners, listen and repeat. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Again, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Good job. You are improving already.
Another example. I brush my teeth every morning.
Repeat with us. I brush my teeth every morning.
Simple breakfast talk. Stephanie, what is your breakfast habit?
My quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds healthy. Sometimes I eat eggs and bread.
My habit is drinking tea in the morning.
Listeners, say, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Again, I eat breakfast every day.
Great speaking.
Daily routine phrases.
Let's learn a new phrase. I go to work.
Or, I go to school.
Example. I go to work at 9 a.m.
I go to the office by bus.
Repeat after us. I go to work at 9.
Nice. Small sentences are powerful. Healthy habits.
Ronald, do you exercise? Yes. I walk every evening.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. Walking is simple and healthy.
My habit is drinking lots of water.
Listeners, repeat. I walk every day.
Again, I drink water every day.
Good job. Healthy habits are important.
Practice conversation.
Let's do a short dialogue.
Okay,
Stephanie, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and drink water.
Nice routine. Listeners, now you answer. What time do you wake up?
Pause and speak.
Great practice. Evening habits. Stephanie, what do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and talk with my family.
I watch TV or read a book.
Repeat. I cook dinner.
Again, I talk with my family.
Very good speaking. Night routine. Before sleep, I check my phone for a short time.
I listen to soft music.
Repeat after me. I'd go to bed at 10 p.m.
Again, I sleep at 10 p.m.
Good job, everyone.
Listen, speak. Listen again.
First, listen. I wake up early and drink water.
Now, speak with Ronald. I wake up early and drink water.
One more time together.
Both. I wake up early and drink water.
Excellent.
Talking about weekday habits. Welcome back, everyone. Let's talk about weekday habits.
Weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
On weekdays, I wake up early.
On weekdays, I go to work.
Listeners, repeat. On weekdays, I wake up early.
Again, on weekdays, I go to work.
Great job. Talking about weekend habits.
Now, let's talk about weekend habits.
Weekend means Saturday and Sunday.
On weekends, I wake up late.
On weekends, I relax at home.
Repeat after us. On weekends, I relax.
Again, on weekends, I wake up late.
Very nice speaking.
Using every day and sometimes. Let's learn two important words. Every day and sometimes.
Every day means you do something daily.
For example, I drink tea every day.
Sometimes means not every day.
For example, I sometimes eat pizza.
Listeners, repeat. I drink water every day.
Again, I sometimes watch TV.
Good job. You are doing great.
Talking about work and study habits. Stephanie, do you study every day?
Yes, I study English every day.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. Do you work every day?
I work 5 days a week.
Repeat. I study every day.
Again, I work 5 days a week.
Short practice, question and answer. Stephanie, let's practice a simple question.
Okay.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Listeners, now you answer. Do you drink coffee?
You can say, yes, I drink coffee. Or, no, I do not drink coffee.
Great practice. Talking about cleaning habits.
Ronald, do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room every Sunday.
Nice. I sometimes clean my desk.
Repeat after us. I clean my room.
Again, I clean my desk.
Small habits keep life easy.
Talking about food habits. Ronald, what do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Healthy choice.
What about you?
I eat a simple lunch.
Repeat. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Again, I eat a simple lunch. Listen, speak. Listen again.
First, listen. I study English every day.
Now, speak with Stephanie.
I study English every day.
One more time together. Both. I study English every day.
Excellent work.
Talking about screen time habits. Stephanie, do you use your phone a lot?
Sometimes, but not too much.
I check my messages in the evening.
Repeat after us. I use my phone.
Again, I check my messages.
Good speaking. Friendly, practice dialogue.
Ronald, what do you do after dinner?
I wash the dishes.
Nice habit.
What do you do after dinner?
I take a short walk.
Listeners, now you answer. What do you do after dinner?
Pause and speak your answer.
Very good effort.
Mini review.
Ronald, let's review today's new phrases.
Stephanie, on weekdays, I work.
Ronald, on weekends, I relax.
I drink water every day.
I sometimes watch TV.
I study English every day.
You are improving step by step, talking about always, usually, and sometimes.
Welcome back, friends. Today, we learn 3 new words. Always, usually, and sometimes.
Always means every time.
For example, I always brush my teeth at night.
Usually means most days.
For example, I usually drink tea in the morning.
Sometimes means not many days.
For example, I sometimes eat sweets.
Listeners, repeat. I always brush my teeth.
Again, I usually drink tea.
One more. I sometimes eat sweets.
Great job talking about exercise habits.
Stephanie, do you exercise every day?
I usually walk in the evening.
Nice. I stretch in the morning.
Listeners, repeat. I walk in the evening.
Again, I stretch in the morning.
Healthy habits make us strong.
Daily English practice.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice speaking every day.
That is a great habit.
Thank you. Listeners, say with